Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen at home from scratch. We will explore the 4 fundamental components: a deeply flavorful broth, a concentrated seasoning called tear, an aromatic oil for richness, and fresh, chewy noodles. Each element plays a crucial role in building a truly authentic and delicious bowl. Understanding these parts will empower you to create your own unique ramen masterpieces right in your kitchen, transforming simple ingredients into an extraordinary meal. Let's dive into the heart of ramen, the broth and tear. For a rich tonkatsu, pork bones are simmered for 12 to 18 hours, yielding a creamy, opaque liquid. Lighter chicken or vegetable broths typically require 3 to 4 hours. Tear, the seasoning concentrate, comes in varieties like shio, shoyu, or miso, each offering a distinct flavor profile. When assembling, combine 1 part tear with 10 parts hot broth for a perfectly balanced soup base. Next, we enhance our ramen with aromatic oil and essential toppings. Aromatic oils, such as a smoky black garlic oil called mayu, infuse neutral oil with ingredients like garlic, ginger, or scallions, adding a final layer of fragrance and richness. Toppings are equally vital for texture and flavor. Classic choices include tender chashu pork, perfectly soft-boiled eggs, crisp nori seaweed, crunchy menma bamboo shoots, and fresh green scallions, completing your ramen experience. Finally, let's talk about homemade noodles and assembling your bowl. Ramen noodles are crafted from wheat flour, water, and kansui, an alkaline solution that provides their signature chewiness and yellow hue. Knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes until smooth, then let it rest for at least 30 minutes before rolling and cutting. Cook your fresh noodles for just 1 to 2 minutes until perfectly al dente. Then, combine all your prepared elements for a truly satisfying, homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.